You thought luxury travel peaked with private jets? Think again. This is a $7 million futuristic RV that parks like a car, drives like a jet, and lives like a palace. Touch-sensitive walls, AI butlers, a built-in spa, and even a drone garage, all on wheels. And the cockpit? It looks like it was pulled straight from a sci-fi movie. What's inside will blow your mind. This isn't just an RV, it's a revolution. Welcome to Engine Explorer. Today we're stepping inside something so futuristic, so luxurious, so absolutely insane. You'll forget everything you thought you knew. About RVs, this isn't just a vehicle. It's a $7 million private jet on wheels, and trust me, it feels like it came from 2050. Let's begin with the exterior. One glance and you'll know this isn't your average motorhome. It's aerodynamic, sleek, and sculpted like a hypercar, with a full-length smart glass roof that tints with a swipe, and solar panels integrated seamlessly into its body. It looks like a spaceship that just landed at a luxury resort. But the real magic? It's all inside. As the doors open automatically with biometric access, you're greeted by what looks more like a five-star hotel lobby than the inside of an RV. Italian leather seats, a floor made of polished volcanic stone, customizable ambient lighting. Oh, and did I mention the built-in scent diffuser that matches your mood? This motorhome doesn't just move you, it pampers you. The living area transforms on command. Say the word and the couch morphs into a massage lounger. Tap a screen, and a 65-inch OLED display rises from the wall with 360-degree surround sound. This RV is powered by AI, and it remembers your settings, your shows, even your snack preferences. The kitchen? It's Michelin star ready, fully stocked with smart appliances that cook for you. Yes, literally. Just select a recipe and the auto chef system takes over. Slicing, dicing, stirring, serving. Welcome to luxury automation. Walk into the bathroom and it's like entering a spa in Monaco. Heated marble floors, rainfall shower with color therapy, and a mirror that doubles as a skincare assistant. Everything you touch is pure opulence. Now let's talk about what makes this RV feel like a private jet. The cockpit. The driver's seat is inspired by aviation, wrapped in Alcantara, surrounded by digital HUD displays, biometric sensors, and even a flight-style yoke steering system. Oh, and it's semi-autonomous. The vehicle can navigate highways, switch lanes, and even park itself while you relax in the lounge. Need entertainment? There's a VR gaming room, retractable rooftop cinema, and yes, a mini onboard drone that follows the RV to capture your journey in cinematic 4K. This isn't just transportation. It's a statement. A home, a luxury suite, a tech haven. So who is this $7 million futuristic marvel for? The ultra-elite, celebrities, CEOs, crypto kings, or maybe someone who just wants to redefine what it means to travel. Thanks for watching.